This is the stylish GROHE Eurocube semi-professional kitchen faucet. Innovative technology clad in a clean design with linear shapes. With its generous high spout, it's never been easier to wash or fill even the largest pots. It turns smoothly through 140 degrees for effortless convenience. The professional spray features a 360-degree turnable spring arm and easy switching between the powerful shower jet and the fine spray jet for maximum flexibility and cleaning control. Its GROHE Silk Move cartridge technology guarantees effortless adjustment of temperature and volume, offering smooth handling that lasts for years. This faucet also features our gleaming GROHE Starlight Chrome finish, speed clean anti-limescale nozzles, and an easy installation system. And you can be certain of the outstanding GROHE quality, all backed up by our lifetime warranty. GROHE Eurocube products for the kitchen are available in a variety of styles and features. GROHE Eurocube. It's time to add architectural appeal to your kitchen.